Hello students, welcome back to the online class again. Let's continue with the second video session class of chapter number 1, types of computer. Now let's take a recap of what we have done in the previous class. Now in the previous class, we have seen what is a computer. A computer is a machine that works very fast, is accurate, and it hardly gets tired. These we have seen in the last video session class, in the previous class. And what else we have seen? We have seen the types of computer. How many types of computers are there? There are 4 types of computer. The first one is microcomputer, second one is mini computer, and the third one is mainframe computer, and the fourth one is supercomputers. There are 4 types of computers based on the size, technology, and purpose for which they are used. Then the next, what we have seen microcomputers. What are microcomputers? Now the microcomputer is a single user computer. Then it is also a single chip known as a microprocessor, and it can easily fit on table, shop counter, etc. and is very less expensive also. Now these are the features of a microcomputer, that it is a single user computer, it is a single chip known as a microprocessor, it easily fit on a table, and also counter, etc., and is very less expensive. Now let's see some examples of microcomputers which we have seen, which we have seen in the previous classes. And the first one is, what we have seen is, this is a desktop computer, okay, which you can keep on a desk. When examples hana to just recap ama tawne sana ko recapitulation ama hana to sindu kari no have do okay. Now desktop computer is this is a monitor, this is a keyboard, this is a mouse, and this is the CPU. Now this desktop computer is used in office and in schools, banks, library. Then it is used in railway stations also. The next example is laptop. You know, this is a laptop, okay. Now what is a laptop? Let's see here. A laptop is a personal computer that is small enough to sit in a person's lap and is designed for mobile usage. Koina puthok pusin nuainaba amasung koigi tampakta thamaga sijanaba yai habagidamata laptop kowi. I have already told you in the previous class. A laptop includes a battery of lithium ion that allows a laptop to run at full power on battery alone for several hours. Koina pung kayama battery na sijanaraju yare mai yaudaju. Okay, these things I have told. Now next is the, what is this? You can see using seeing this picture. Okay, this is a notebook computer. Now a notebook computer is a battery or AC powered personal computer, generally smaller than a briefcase, that can easily be transported and conveniently used in temporary spaces such as airplanes, in libraries, temporary offices, and at meetings. Sisi akoina karai sijanaba yai puthok pusin nungaibanina plane da, libraries da, temporary office da puraga chatpa, then at meetings sijanaba. It is the size of a notebook, though it is known as a notebook computer. Then the next example is a palm top. Bakta thamaga sijanaba yai habagidamukta akoina sise palm top haibniko. A palm top computer is a personal computer or other electronic device that has many of the same features as computer and fits in the palm of your hand. Kogi kutki kubaka thamaga sijanaba yai habidamukta sise akoina palm top haibani. Koina computer da yawriba features in the loinamuk maungdasu yawe palm top dasu. Then the next example is what is this? This is a tablet, right? Tablet, in the tablet you can play games, you can watch movies, okay, and you can search any educational informations in the tablet, also connecting the internet. Now the tablet are very important to the students as they improve collaboration developing IT skills, publishing, sharing, and searching of information. Searching for information, creativity, flexibility in terms of space, time, and motivation in the studies. When studies is when motivate the ways is na ying the ko. No kay kada ways is IT skills hangal IT skills angularly then publishing, sharing to ba, searching of information, creativity, flexibility. Ma'am, whatever we can do on a computer, that thing that much also that much we can do on a tablet PC the remote over here. Okay, now the next is the smartphone. This is a smartphone you have already know smartphone no learn khang level ni smartphone no mak ni papa gi mama gi brother sisters ki smartphone ma'am pairangani. Oh, access online dictionary ying ba say da, then we can create short videos also. Okay, uh, installing some application. Okay, you can create short videos also and read the news here itself in the smartphone also. Daily news also lalo maging ba. Smartphones can make learning easy. Now you can learn many things from the smartphone. Connecting an internet. Okay, connecting to the internet sama matungda smartphone na yingba information education informations ma'am mi yingba. Then the last and the very exciting, very enjoyable one is that you can play games also. You must be playing games in the smartphone also. Smartphone na games sanangani. This is the games hanabasu ya smartphone da. Then the last example we have done is the game console. This is the Tekken gumba kay gumba sanabadu na game sanabadu, or some say the video game lorga video game later sanabadu adunation game console na. Till here we have done in the previous class. Okay, this is just a recap of what we have done in the previous class. When mamang class ato kiba singdo adugi singdini sana sida ulibasina. Now let's continue with our second session of the video class of the chapter number 1, that is a types of computer. Okay, now there is an example for microcomputer also. Now let's see what is the example for microcomputer. Now let's continue our chapter. Now the next example of microcomputer is the embedded computers. Now what are embedded computers? Let's see here. Embedded computers are programmed for specific functions. We can find them in washing machines, watches, ATM machines, etc. When you embedded computers in the next example say kaigi computer microcomputer ki ko embedded computers have basically embedded computers are programmed for specific functions. Thabak khoi tongan ba are pathaba amagi damukta khoi season embedded toraga haidi hapaga season dingo we can find them in kala kala da phangi embedded computers kala kala dia washing machines da, watches, ATM machines, etc. ATM does even in you can find these in ATM does then washing machines, then even your watch does okay. Now when embedded in cars for navigation, entertainment, etc., the embedded computers are called computers. When a car da navigation haidi lambi tak na bagi damakta, or entertainment haidi you can listen music. Okay, in cars also you must be listening music. Okay, songs in cars. So for that, when embedded in cars for using that entertainment, that is listening music or listening songs, navigation, etc., the embedded computers are called computers. Okay, now this is the ATM machines on here. Now workstations. Now workstations are high-end microcomputers. They are used for software development, engineering applications, CAD, that is computer aided design, and CAM, that is computer aided manufacturing. Now desktop publishing and other type of applications that require a moderate amount of computer power and highly quality graphics capabilities. Though most workstations are single user computers and can be used as standalone system, they are typically linked together to form a local area network. Now akoina sige workstation size na kaino sis na kitang advanced wala ba hali software development gumba engineering application that is CAD and akoina CAD. Okay, computer aided design gumba, computer aided manufacturing gumba, then desktop publishing koinam thok nam sin to desktop publishing se, and The other type of applications that require a moderate amount of computer power and high quality graphics. So quality high way is hidden complex program then capabilities. Though most workstations use single user computer, it can be used as standalone system. They are typically linked together to form a local area network LAN 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 computer ama se pulap samba ama dagi mayam mathang mathang ay samba se sisne LAN local area network. The most common operating system for workstations are Unix and Windows NT. When Unix natraga Windows NT season ay sida. Kay season about operating system computer da happy operating system de workstation dadi Unix natraga kay season ay ba Windows NT season ay ba. Unix na kaya Uniplex information and computing system mahabne. Then NT is na kaya Windows NT is na new technology. Okay, in terms of computer power, workstations lie between personal computers and mini computers. Workstations na kaya ba personal computer ko yung season ay personal computers eh sisiga sida matanggal ako ba next topic mini computers eh sige market workstations na. High-end personal computers are equivalent to low-end workstations. कोई personal computer high-end over personal computers is कई का माने low-end workstation this is an का माने and high-end workstations are equivalent to mini computers. सही कोई ना and फरेन season is ना केनोगा mini computer का माना कर Okay, now let's come to the next topic, that is the mini computer. Next type of computer, the first one is microcomputers. These we have completed just now. Now let's continue with the second type of computer, that is known as the mini computer. Though more powerful as compared to microcomputers, mini computers are considered flexible and inexpensive machines. Powerful over heli kanadagi koina microcomputer dagi among the first type of computer microcomputer dagi powerful over helaga so this is a flexible and inexpensive oi haina low koina sigi mini computers sing where these computers brought powerful computers within the reach of a common man. Since they have more power as compared to microcomputers, they can be used by many people at one time. They have more power as compared to microcomputer. Power okay, they have greater storage capacity. Storage capacity so we are and can be used as network servers and network internet servers. Internet servers or network servers in a season of mini computers. Okay, now let's see some examples of mini computers here. Examples of mini computers: control data CDC 160A and CDC 1700. Next is the DEC, PDP and VEX series, then data General Nova, then Hewlett Packard HP 3000 series, HP 2100 series, HP 1000 series. Then the next is the Honeywell Bull Level 6/DPS 6000 series, IBM mid-range computers, then variant 620 100 series. When is the HP computer HP is Hewlett Packard full form of HP is Hewlett Packard. Okay, then the full form of IBM is International Business Machines. Now mini computers emerged in 1960s. 1960s that mini computers in okay. These computers were smaller and much cheaper as compared to their predecessors. These machines were smaller over pixel to pixel and much cheaper as compared to their predecessors. They came possible with the use of transistors and core memory technologies. Okay, now here next comes the computing spectrum of microccomputers lies between that of personal computers and mainframe computers. Mainframe computers microcomputers hence they are known as mid-range computers. Now the next topic is the mainframe computers. Now let's see What are mainframe computers? These are more again powerful than the mini computers and microcomputers. Now, mainframe computers are very large, powerful, and expensive computers capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. Okay, not powerful then that is why it is very expensive also. Okay, capable of supporting hundreds or even more thousands of users simultaneously. Okay, powerful then all these users can connect to one mainframe machine from various parts of the world. ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯒꯤ mainframe computer ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ connect ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ. Okay, they are used in big organizations such as banks kumba hadi bank to ji koni SBI ma hangagadi you open a SBI in suppose in Bangalore, then you can access that bank account, the SBI bank account that you have account in Bangalore, that you have opened in Bangalore, that you can access from Manipur Imphal also. Okay, coincident Imphal dagi Bangalore account leragasu adugi photo ko na sila aga and government organizations where a large number of users share programs and data. Data information share to okay, sige mainframe computer sige matulina. Okay, aduduna akoina idueba sige se akoina big organizations such as banks kumba government organizations kumda season. Now some examples of mainframe computers are IBM Z series, System Z9 and System Z10 servers. Then VEX 8842 is a VEX series happening as mini computer in a VEX 8842. Okay, these are the examples of mainframe computers. Mainframe computers key examples. Okay, I'll show you the pictures of these examples later on. Now let's complete our chapter first. Now let's go to the next topic, that is the supercomputers. Can you see? Now supercomputers are very expensive and are used for specialized applications that require a large amount of mathematical calculations. They are huge in size and are the fastest computer. Now they are used in the fields of weather forecasting, animated graphics, nuclear energy research, and petroleum exploration. Supercomputers are very expensive and are used for specialized applications. So I'm a complex way to that require a large amount of mathematical calculations. They are used in size and are the fastest computer. Supercomputer. Now, weather forecasting, animated graphics, nuclear energy research, scientific and petroleum exploration. Weather forecast haying nong tagani natragana haying within 10 days ki manungda laibra nong lay natraga nung sasagani haiba singje ko loy makhang mangami that you can get from news also. Adogi singdo kay nakhangino with the help of the supercomputers ki matami nakhangine. Now supercomputers was first introduced in 1960s. Now the earliest supercomputer was from the Control Data DC Data Corporation CDC 6600 designed by Seymour Cray. Now it got operational in 1965 and had only a single CPU but offered a clock speed of 100 nanoseconds. Clock speed check computer speed is 100 nanoseconds. Now what are the examples of supercomputers? The examples of supercomputers are Cray XT5, Param, this is for India, IBM Bluesin, IBM Watson. In some ways, mainframe computers are more powerful than supercomputers because they support more simultaneous programs. Amuktangda punna toba yabda simultaneous program toba ya atu matamda mainframe computer na powerful obagi matang sula e. But a supercomputer can execute a single program faster than a mainframe program. Program amakatangdi kideba single program amakatangdi mainframe computer degi supercomputer na yang toba ya hele. Now Fujitsu K is the world's fastest computer, conducting more than 10 quadrillion calculations per second. Each CPU of this machine has 16 GB of local RAM, totaling 1377 terabytes of memory. These computers uses more than 12 megawatts of power, about the same amount as used in 30,000 homes. Okay, yumda sizinay bumayse 30,000 homes sizinay minus e computer sizinay for the suitcase. Okay, for the suitcase supercomputer, as you can see here in this picture. Supercomputers for now, the more advanced a computer, the more you pay for it. Advanced However, you should always buy a computer depending upon the purpose for which you need it. Computer you shouldn't buy a costlier one. Okay, nang sizinaba nang darkar leibdo adumak katang darkar leibdu katang leigedabane ahenba leibagi paisa yamna tangba leibagi maru oide. Okay, now let us recall microcomputers are single user computers commonly used at homes, offices, schools, for example desktop, laptop, notebooks. These things I have just told you. Now mini computers are multi-user computers. Then mainframe computers are large, expensive and powerful computers used by the organizations to share data and programs with thousands of users simultaneously. Now supercomputers are huge, most expensive and the fastest computer in the fields of nuclear science, weather forecasting. Now here completes our chapter number 1, that is types of computer. With types of computers now let's see the exercises. Now the exercises I'll send you through WhatsApp also, but I'm just telling here in this YouTube class also. Okay, this is online classes. So this computer has a single chip CPU called microprocessor. Now this is the tick the correct option. You have to tick from the ABC. You have to do the correct one. Now the first one is the correct answer. It is microcomputer. And the second one, thousands of computers from all over the world can connect to this computer for sharing information. That is number A. That is mainframe computer. Then the third one is this computer is used for complex scientific research. This is also number A. Supercomputer, number A. Okay. Then match the following. The first one, interactive video game play. You have to match in number E. Game consoles. Now number 2, embedded computers. You have to match with number C. Computers. Embedded computers are called computers. Now physical keyboard is placed by touchscreen. Kung physically na tabida touchscreen Windows na kay na tablet PC, number D. Now form local area network is na workstations. Have rechargeable batteries, obviously it is laptop. Okay, I'll send you these through WhatsApp also. Now tick the correct statements and cross the incorrect ones. Notebooks and laptops are portable computers, correct. Tick. Desktop have rechargeable batteries, wrong. Cross. ATMs are mini computers, wrong. ATMs are not mini computers, ATMs are microcomputers. Okay, it is wrong. Again. Then the fourth one is washing machines have embedded computers. Tick correct. In tablets, the physical keyboard is placed by a touchscreen facility. It is also correct. Now name the following. Now computers are used by organizations to share data and programs with the user. This is known as name the following. This is which type of computer? A mainframe computer. Computers used to forecast weather. Now obviously it is supercomputer, as I told you just now. Supercomputer is computers used for entertainment and playing games, game consoles. Then computers used in ATMs, in cars for navigation, in clocks and in washing machines. This is embedded computers. Now the last one is computer used at home for personal use. This is obviously the microcomputer. Now here we complete our first chapter. The exercises we have completed. The exercises, I'll send you the exercises again in the watch it, okay, in the PDF format. Okay students, let's stop here for today. Let's end our class here. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.